Welcome to your practice today as I guide you through some simple stretches to help the body recover after a workout or strength training. Coming to sit, any comfortable seated posture. Let the eyes be closed. Take a deep breath in. Relax the shoulders down as you sit up tall. Begin to walk the hands forward, coming into child's pose. Rest the belly on the thigh. You can rest the head either on your hands or on the floor. Begin to feel the body with every exhale, allowing the body to release, to get heavy. Allow the breath to slow, to deepen. And notice how the body feels. Inhale, we lift the head and walk the hands over to the right. Feel the stretch along the left side body. Breathe into the stretch. We walk the hands over to the left. Reach through the right fingertips. Feel the stretch along the right side body. And come back to center. Gently press yourself up. We'll come on to all fours. Begin the cat and cow. Inhale, arching the back, looking up. Exhale, curl the spine, tailbone tucks. You can go at your own pace. Notice how the spine feels. Notice how the upper back and shoulders connect with the breath. And as you inhale, breathe into where you feel the most sensation. And as you exhale, create a little more release. Keep a slow, steady breath. Breathing into the spine, the shoulders. Come back to neutral. Walk your hands out just in front. Begin to lower the head towards the floor. Hips stay over the knees. A little activation in the hands. Draw the shoulders away from the ears. And again, where you feel the sensation, breathe into that space. From here, we lower down onto the belly, elbows underneath the shoulders for Sphinx pose. Shoulders draw down away from the ears, chest lifts up, neck relaxed and neutral. Breathe into the low back and release the elbows out to the side, palms on either side of the chest, and gently press yourself up into cobra. And as you exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up. You don't have to go so high. And exhale, lower. Inhale, lifting up, shoulders away from the ears. And exhale, release. Once more, inhale, lifting up. And exhale, slowly lower. Tuck the toes, lift the hips up. We come into down dog. And this is such a great way to stretch the whole body. You can bend one knee at a time, just giving the backs of the legs a nice stretch. Heels drawing down towards the floor. Inhale, the right leg up and back. And then bring the knee and place it on the floor near the right hand. And coming into the pigeon stretch. You can keep yourself supported upright on the hands. If you want to go a little deeper, lower down onto the elbows. Maybe shifting a little weight from one side of the hip to the other. This can be quite an intense stretch. So notice where you feel the tightness in the body. Again, take the awareness of your breath to those spaces. To See if you can relax. Find the slow, steady breathing. And gently press ourselves back up, downward facing dog. Go ahead and bend one knee again at a time. Stretch into the backs of the legs. Inhale, left leg goes up. And bring the knee forward next to the left hand. Settle down into pigeon. Feel the sensation. Allow the body and the muscles to slowly relax, release. Swing the right leg forward, and we take the left leg over the right. The left knee is bent, and we come into a forward fold. This can be a deep stretch for the back of the right hamstring. You don't have to fold very deep, just enough to feel the stretch, as much as feels good for you. And see if you can relax and soften. Sit up, place the foot on the floor, hug the left knee in toward the chest and begin to twist, looking over the left shoulder. Legs actively pressing down, chest lifts up, and return to center. We're going to stack the right knee on top of the left. Inhale, sit up tall, and then slowly come down into a forward fold. Just enough to feel the stretch in the back of the left leg. Breathe into where you feel the sensation the most. Create space and allow the muscles to relax. And gently press yourself up. Place the right foot on the floor, and we take the twist. Hug the right leg, the right knee in. Sit up tall, chest lifts, look over the right shoulder. Legs actively pressing into the floor. Release, come back to center. We'll come to lay all the way down onto the mat. Bend the right knee and interlace the fingers around. Gently open at the knee to the side. Hold on to the toes or anywhere on the back of the right leg, thigh, calf muscle. Just enough to feel the stretch. Neck relaxed. And return the right leg to the floor. Hug the left knee in toward the chest. Open the knee gently out to the side. And extend the left heel up toward the ceiling. Holding on to the left big toes or the backs of the leg. Or the back of the leg. Slowly release, bend the leg, return it to the floor. Bring the soles of the feet together now. The knees will open out to the side, coming into a reclined butterfly. Allow the feet to move away from the body as you relax the legs more fully. Surrender the legs to the force of gravity, allowing the knees to open to the sides on their own. Gently breathe and relax. I give myself permission to let go. And gently draw the knees back in towards each other. Extend the legs out. Space between the legs, space between the arms. And we pause here for a few minutes just to relax the body completely in stillness. Notice how the body feels after the short, gentle stretching. Notice your breath. Allowing the breath to be completely natural, and you just noticing and being aware. Give yourself permission to relax, to let the body be heavy, to let go completely. Consciously relaxing the legs, the arms, the shoulders, the head, the forehead, the jaw. Feel free to stay here for as long as you like. Whenever you're ready, you can gently bring some movement back into the hands and feet. Give yourself a nice big stretch. Roll over onto one side and gently come back to sitting.